For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
On Sunday, India crossed a milestone in terms of testing COVID-19 samples. So far, 2 crore COVID-19 samples have been tested across all the states in the country. India completed this milestone on Sunday when India neared 18 lakh cases and the death toll touched 38,000. From doing less than 100 tests per day during the onset of COVID-19 in January, India has been striving for several months. Over the last 6 months, India has ramped up its testing capacity across the nation. It took several months to step up its diagnostic facilities across the nation as it wasn't battle ready during the onset of the pandemic. Even though RT-PCR remains the gold standard of COVID-19 testing, the government gradually introduced a range of other testing modalities. Along with expanding the testing strategy, the government also increased facilities and types of diagnostic kits. The Union Health Ministry introduced various tests such as the rapid antigen testing, antibody, TrueNat and CBNat and antigen. Even labs in animal and botanical institutes across the nation are helping the nation's medical infrastructure for COVID-19 testing. According to ICMR data, India largely depends on RT-PCR tests, which contributes almost 85% of the tests done so far. RT-PCR requires nasal and throat swabs to directly detect the presence of COVID-19. The rapid antigen testing also detects the viruses and not the antibodies produced by humans. Antigen is nothing but the toxin in the body that triggers an immune response. The rapid antigen testing was approved by ICMR for its use in containment zones and in combination with RT-PCR tests. While health bulletins given by states produce a detailed representation of data and the number of tests, ICMR only collates data for cumulative number of tests. ICMR's data also includes cumulative number of tests, all-inclusive and number of tests done in 24 hours after receiving data from states. Health is a subject, states publish the bulletin daily and we receive the data every day. While state data is readily available on websites and daily press bulletins, there may be a lag in breakup of testing types data as data comes at different times. Like we mentioned earlier, India has ramped up its testing capacity. Adequate precaution is also important for defeating the deadly virus. Increased testing determines who is infected or not, and preventive measures are taken accordingly. Therefore, testing helps in carrying out various measures to control and prevent the infection. If you don't do anything and just keep testing the population, this will not decrease the pandemic. Tamil Nadu is conducting the highest number of tests in the country, followed by Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Karnataka should ramp up its testing facility in order to curb the spread of COVID-19.